Hold on.
Same.
Ow! So, dude, how we learning how to flip it? So I hit the video on and let the music went away, but let's bring it back. But look what I'm doing, flip it. We're a little off here, but I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. Wait until you see these. I got them taped up. I got to bring that up. These will hinge out and get the fucking tank right out of there. Plus, I'll have a little area, and I'll bring something up into there. Flip it. Oh, hold up. Yeah. Hold up. Oh. So we're gonna figure out. Ooh, we start figuring. And that wood up there and the slats on top, those are underneath the bed frame. Scrapping, and the metal's out there. Love all y'all. Send it.